Okay, so once you're able to get the stop screw in place, it'll start to hold this mirror. And then for this lower one, the one screw away from the front of the mirror at the bottom, you may have to wiggle or rotate the mirror around a bit so you find the right hole, so that the screw fits in. And then once that fits into, you have access to tighten both these screws um, to some degree. That should hold the mirror in place, and the combination of these two screws should automatically align. This third screw that is only reachable, it's kind of hard to reach, but it's behind there. It's still reachable. You just need a, I guess, a long neck screwdriver with the Stox 20. So this should actually install these two screws, reasonably tighten them to hold the mirror in place. And I didn't actually need to remove this spring because I can still access at least these top two screws. This bottom one I need a longer neck screwdriver for, longer reach, slender screwdriver. So far so good. Yeah, it's mostly tight. I will fully tighten it as this mirror is not going anywhere. I'll add the third screw once I test that the mechanism is working.